York City police, man. Elmo looks like he's got a cleft palate, doesn't he?
Oh, Elmo's coming over to say hi.
Wow, maybe he'll give you a high five.
Hi.
I'll give him a high five of you, Jill.
Say hi, Elmo.
Oh no, we'll just say hi. I wonder who this police department is. Ah, they came from New York City, huh?
Whoa.
Who's
Is
that?
that your union? United Workers?
No.
United Laborers, right?
Yeah, but there's so many.
There's another Providence group, Anthony.
Wow, that's North Providence, huh?
Hi.
They're right next to us, North Providence. They might shoot those, I don't know. Keep your eye. Oh!
You okay, Anthony? What's wrong? I think he has sand in his eye.
What's wrong? There's something in your eye?
What's wrong, bud?
No? Where's your glasses? I like that police car a lot.